गजाननाय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्तिं प्रचोदयात्। श्रीवक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। Hello students, welcome to Crazy D's A to Z. From tomorrow onwards, class 10th board exams are going to start, and day after tomorrow 12th class is going to start their board exams. So today my video is for some tips and strategies that will help you to attempt your exams in the best possible way. First point, use of additional 15 minutes. Now this particular time is to read the question, draft a plan in your mind about how to solve the paper correctly without getting panicked. Second point is set the priority. List out the questions in which you are more confident. There's no need to write the answers in the same order as in the question paper. Firstly, write those answers which you know correctly. Third point, write a brief to the point answer. Read a question carefully and understand the sense of questions. Try to limit your answer to the requirement of the questions and avoid writing huge paragraphs. Choose the questions wisely. Usually some questions in the paper are provided with internal choices. The student has to select any one of those choices, but the tricky thing with these choices is that students often decide on instinct to which questions to attempt, and later they are regretting not to choose the other questions which they knew better. So thus, those questions which you know better, try to solve them first. And fifth point, attempt all the questions. We know that there is no negative marking in the board exams, so don't be afraid to answer any of the questions about which you are confused. So just go through and attempt all the questions that you are going to read. This is because once the questions are being given properly and you are answering them, then definitely it helps in giving the marks by the teachers as well. Okay, the sixth point is that don't decorate the answer sheet. It is well observed among many of the students that they have a habit of attempting the question paper in a careful manner by using blue, green and black colored print pointers or markers for headings. So don't waste your time in doing all this because it's not going to give you any sort of extra marks. Okay, and before submitting the paper, take a glance at the important and the final answer sheet that you have written. This is very important and very must that whatever you have written should be proper, and avoid cutting and overwriting. Finally, don't panic to give your paper. Okay, so all the best. Hope you will do better in this board exams.